welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY, I'll be working with these two triangle dividers. You can use this on your desk to separate folders, your mail, even some of your craft products like papers that you might use. But today I won't be using these as any type of dividers. I'm going to use them to create a lamp. So I found these at the Dollar Tree Plus section, and as you can see, they are $3 a piece. Here's the skew. Unfortunately, this one is broken here. That won't mess with anything. I'm going to wait till I'm done before I glue that together. So what I'm going to do first is just remove the tags. I'm trying to put this together the way I see it in my head. So hopefully it works out, guys. I have not made this before, but in my brain it works. So let's get started. Now what I'm going to do is glue these back to back like this. So what I'm going to do is use this Gorilla Glue to help hold the two pieces together. Okay, so I'm done adding the glue on the back. So now I'm just going to slide both pieces together. And here I have some ties, and I'm just going to use these to hold these together while the glue dries. But these ties are only temporary. So I'm pretty happy with how that looks. Next up, I have some floral wire, and I picked this up from Dollar Tree as well. I wish they had it in gold, because I am going to leave this gold. But they only had silver, so I'm going to use this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is wire wrap these two pieces together. Then I'll come back in later and cover this silver up with some gold paint. I'm just going to start here on the side. And I'm going to wire wrap it really tight. Okay, so now I'm going to come in and come over the top. Now I'll come back on the sides. I want to make sure this is good and tight. Now I'm going to twist it close and then cut off the excess wire. And the little piece that I have twisted, I'm going to push that right on the inside. So I'm going to do that here, here, and here. Once I do that, I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. It has been about 3 hours. I went ahead and ran some errands. Let this sit up. I even put some glue on the part that was broke at the bottom. So this is going to be the top piece. So now I want to use two of these dowels, and I'm going to put it across here. In this particular pack, you can see that they come in different sizes. I'm going to go with the slimmest piece because it matches better with this. So what I want to do is glue a piece from here to here, and I just need to measure and cut. I went ahead and cut a piece ahead of time, and they are about the same size. This one might be a little longer. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put some glue right on top here. Okay, so now I'm going to let this dry for about 3 hours. Then I'm going to come back and secure these a little bit more, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay guys, so I let this sit overnight, and it's pretty strong, but I want to secure it even more. So what I'm going to do is just secure it on the ends with some more of this floral wire. Then I'm going to pull it all the way to the end and then start wrapping. And I'm pulling the wire tight. Now I'll do this side. Okay, so now I'll go under and then over the stick. with both pieces. Okay, so now I'll just twist both pieces together and cut off the excess and push the little sharp piece back up towards the stick. So I've already done it on that side. So now we have that. I can also go ahead and remove my twist ties. Okay, so now we have this. So now I want to secure it in the middle as well. So yeah, we're looking pretty good. This is what we have so far. Alright, moving right along. Here I have some hanging basket chains. And you can find these at Dollar Tree as well. These I got off Amazon, but I do have some around here somewhere from the Dollar Tree baskets. Leave a link in the description if you want to get these. They weren't that expensive. Okay, next up I have some Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint. I'm going to spray paint this whole thing gold and the chains as well. So I'm going to do that and then come back and move on to the next step. In combination with my lamp, I'm going to use these lights that I found at Dollar Tree also. Aren't they cute? And as you can see, they are gold, but they have these in silver as well. And as you can see, there's string lights on the inside, and there's the light switch. And that's how you turn it on. Oh, and here's the skew. They'll be hanging from this, and as you can see, it's silver. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I'm gonna take it off both pieces and spray paint them gold. I'll do that, come back and start putting everything together. Okay guys, I'm back and this is what it looks like after I finish spray painting everything gold. Here are the two hooks that go on the light bulbs. And here are the chains. I have 4 chains. And the hook. Everything's gold. So now I'll go ahead and link the chains onto the frame. So now we have our chains. And this is how it's going to hang from the ceiling. Just like so. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this battery, come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back. I went ahead and charged up the battery. Use one of the hooks that the chains came on. I'm going to put it together like this. Depending on how low I want this to hang from the ceiling, I might have to remove some links. Now I'll go in with the side first, and I want to try and make sure the chain is as straight as possible. And I'm going to link it on here, like so. Now because there's a shorter distance between these two sides, I had to remove some links from these pieces. I removed 4 links from each chain. So that goes on second, And then the one across it goes on third. All right, just like so. So now I'm going to close this up, just like that. I went ahead and put these back together. I decided to go ahead and add some beads to the side, just to add a little bit of interest and bling to it. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up my hot glue gun, come back and glue those pieces on. So I grabbed some of my gold gems, and what I'm going to do is take two of the small ones, and I'm going to put it right on the side. And this will help hold the light right in the center. Now I'm just going to add a gem right on the corner. And here's my bead already measured and cut. Now, if you can't find those gold beads, you can just use some simple gold beads to decorate the side. You can even go in and decorate here as well if you want to, but I like the way this looks without it. I think I'm good with that. You can also add bling around here if you want to, but again, I want more of a simple look, so I think I'm done. Now to hang this on the ceiling, you just need to get a ceiling hook, screw it in place, and then attach your top hook to it, and you have your lamp. Look at that, isn't that cute? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on display and let you see what it looks like. And here's my gorgeous and unique lamp hanging from my bedroom ceiling. This is the perfect place for it because I do not have a light fixture in the ceiling of my bedroom. And I really love the look of the lamp because it looks vintage to me. But if you're not into vintage and you want to make it look more glam, you can easily add chandelier pendants to it. And another option is to wrap it in rice paper to give it a more contemporary or modern look. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.